Start by choosing the proper Thermowell that best fits your application. Then choose the best location for the Thermowell. After selecting the location, weld our thermolet fitting in place. Next, we'll install our insertion valve and hot tap machine. We will then pressure test the welds to ensure there are no leaks before hot tapping will begin. During the hot tap procedure, the water pressure will be contained within the insertion valve and hot tap machine. The isolation valve will then be closed and any pressure will be released prior to removing the hot tap machine. We will then install the Thermowell insertion tool that contains the new Thermowell. During insertion of the Thermowell, the water pressure will be contained within the Thermowell insertion tool. Once the Thermowell is installed, the insertion valve and tool will be removed. This is your new permanent Thermowell for monitoring the temperature of your HVAC system.